In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Canva subscription. If you've decided you no longer need Canva Pro, or you just want to stop the automatic payments, the process is actually very simple. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own screen, and by the end, your subscription will be cancelled correctly. First, open Canva and make sure you're signed into the account that currently has the subscription. This is important, especially if you have more than one Canva account, because the subscription is tied to a specific login. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be a small picture, your initials, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu or panel will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Canva keeps all of your account details, including your personal information, preferences, and payment settings. Click on Settings to open the main settings page. Inside the settings area, you'll see several sections or tabs. What you're interested in now is the billing section because that's where your subscription information is stored. Find and click on the option that says Billing. It might be called Billing and Plans or something similar, but it will always contain the word billing. Once you're in the billing section, you'll see details about your current plan, whether you're on Canva Pro, a free trial, or another paid plan. You should also see information about your next renewal date and the payment method being used. Somewhere on this page, there will be a button or link that says Cancel or Cancel Subscription. Click on that Cancel option. After you click Cancel, Canva may ask you to confirm that you really want to end your subscription and possibly offer you a different plan or ask for feedback. Read any message that appears so you understand whether your access will continue until the end of the current billing period or end immediately. Then confirm the cancellation. When you're done, double check that the plan now shows as cancelled or that your next renewal date is no longer active. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed your Canva